What if your backyard could give you mangoes, bananas, and even dragon fruit? Yes, growing tropical fruits at home is not just possible, it's incredibly rewarding. Today, let's explore the best tropical fruits you can easily grow at home for fresh, delicious harvests. First on our list, the king of fruits, mango. Mango trees love warm weather and bright sunlight. With well-drained soil and a little patience, they reward you with sweet, juicy fruits every season. Next is papaya, fast-growing and highly productive. Papaya plants fruit quickly, need minimal care, and grow beautifully in warm, humid climates. And yes, both the fruit and leaves have amazing health benefits. Who doesn't love pineapple? The best part, you can grow it even in pots. Simply plant the crown, give it sunlight, and wait. It takes time, but the taste is totally worth it. If you want quick growth and high yield, banana is your best friend. Banana plants love water, rich organic soil, and warm weather. Each plant gives one big bunch, making it very rewarding for home growers. Looking for something exotic? Try dragon fruit. This climbing cactus needs very little care, just a strong support. In return, it gives you beautiful, nutrient-rich fruits. Passion fruit is another great choice. This fast-growing vine produces aromatic, sweet, tangy fruits perfect for juices and desserts. Just give it sunlight and strong support. And of course, the tropical icon, nutritious flesh for years. They love full sun and sandy soil. So there you have it, the best tropical fruits to grow at home. Fresh harvests, tropical vibes, and long-term rewards. Which fruit would you love to grow? Or are you already growing any of these? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more practical farming tips.